The next entry type is going to be warehouse or FTZ. The purposes for a warehouse or an FTZ entry, there's quite a few, especially with FTZ. So FTZ is called foreign trade zone, and basically what that is it's a bonded warehouse, which allows you to bring your cargo into the U.S. and place it in this warehouse and not have to pay duties and taxes immediately. It's sort of a stopping point for your cargo, and it kind of sits there in kind of outside of time for CBP. You don't have to pay duties and taxes until that item is entered into what's called the commerce of the U.S. So while it's in that foreign trade zone, it's basically like it's not in the United States at all. Same thing with the warehouse. You enter something into a warehouse, and then you don't pay duties and taxes on it until you withdraw that item from the warehouse and it enters the commerce of the U.S.